It's the easiest and the best, in my opinion, the best like Raptor lights package that you can order for the What's going on, guys? Welcome back to my channel. Thank you for all of you that have been subscribing. If you're new, hit that subscribe button. This channel is about installs, building out how I want my Tacoma to look. Also, it will incorporate some camping or weekender landing, maybe trails. Somebody had commented about going to Hollister. I'm down. I'm gonna try and find time to do that. So for this video, I am installing the Raptor lights. At first, I wasn't a big fan of them. They grew on me and I was like, yeah, I need to cop those. The reason why I went with Tacoma Lifestyle is because for this price, it comes with everything you need. So if you check on the website, you'll see that there's many options. You can go with just 3 Raptor lights, or like what I did, I went with 4. They come in clear white, smoked white, amber, and smoked amber. I went with the smoked white because I want them to kind of blend in with my grill when it's off. It comes with the wiring harness. You also get the add-a-fuse, so like I said, you don't need to go to the store and buy this, and you don't need to get fuses because it comes with it. It comes with this connector that this black wire will connect to, and then you just crimp it down, and then that's your ground. Obviously the red will go into the add-a-fuse, go right in there, crimp that, and then it's the easiest and the best, in my opinion, the best like Raptor lights package that you can order for the price. Yeah, let's install these. To put these lights in, there's no specific way. They just pretty much pop right in and go. And just push them in. So they just kind of hold on with those little clips. And that's pretty much really it. Just like that. And see, like I said, you can't really even tell with the smoked ones that you have Raptor lights. That's from a distance. So obviously you can tell once you're pretty close that you have those lights in. It is plug and play, so you're just gonna get it. So that's the connector. And they just plug in just like that. So if you guys want to see how they connect, that's pretty much the connection right there. I'm gonna just let that hang down here for now, and then I'll clean it up with some zip ties. As for this single wire, I'm gonna just feed it through right over here. Right here, there's a hole, which then we'll bring it around behind the headlight, around the battery that's over here, and then to the fuse box, which is right over there. As you guys saw me do, fed the wire from the connections over there from the light, went under plastic splash guard for the headlights, went under it, around the back of the headlight, right through here. So there's this pretty big opening. Next step, I'm gonna unbolt this with a 10mm. Take my ground wire, and I'm gonna take the connector for it, and as you can tell, I don't know if you guys can tell or not, but it just sticks out just a bit. Feed it back under here, put the 10mm back. All right, so now that that's on there, this is the fuse box. 3 tabs, that's one's right here. Another tab is right over here. And then this is the third one. Cool fact, I should say, they give you this fuse removal tool and then 3 additional fuses right here. This is the fuse that we're gonna remove. Grab it, just pull, just like that. So I'm gonna go ahead and just toss that back in there for now. But in order to feed this wire, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go through this little hole that is right over here. The way to do it, so this is similar to this one. If you can see, there is this little tab right there. They're just gonna push down, and then with your other hand, you're back here, just gonna lift. And this whole little mechanism will pop out. So I'm gonna do that with this one, not the first one, not the one to the left, but the one to the right hand. And then this will lift up just enough, but I'm gonna just feed the wire right through there. With some patience, you could do it. I was able to feed it through that little hole. All right, so went ahead, crimped them down. Now you just plug the add a fuse. Now it's nicely tucked in there. If you're curious, it's that fuse right there.